Azerbaijan and Pakistan have trained Akinci drone operators, marking a new chapter in regional drone warfare and showcasing growing Turkish defense ties. The Mirage 2009 Mk2 brings advanced sensors, precision strike capabilities, and multi-role flexibility, keeping legacy fighters relevant in 21st century conflicts. India's push on Iran's Chabahar port aims to bypass Pakistan and access Central Asia, but shifting alliances may limit its long-term success. Pakistan may adopt our RAK-style 120mm mortar for swift, mobile firepower in mountainous regions, boosting agility in border warfare scenarios. You're watching Pakistangeo Defence Update, your front row seat to global defense power shifts. Stay tuned for full headlines. Don't forget to subscribe. Pakistan's security forces have successfully apprehended individuals linked to a cross-border militant network operating near the western frontier. Intelligence-led operations revealed connections to arms smuggling routes and sleeper cells attempting to destabilize border areas. The crackdown highlights increased cooperation between military intelligence and civilian agencies, aiming to dismantle logistical networks before infiltration occurs. This development comes amid heightened vigilance following recent regional unrest, reinforcing Pakistan's internal security resolve. The Pakistan Air Force's JF-17 Block 4 has successfully completed weapons certification, marking the official integration of two powerful missiles, the PL-15E, a 300-km-range air-to-air missile, and the PL-10E, with an advanced IIR seeker for dogfight dominance. This upgrade not only extends the JF-17's kill zone, but also allows for dual missile engagement modes beyond visual range and close combat. With data fusion from new ISA radar, Block 4 now rivals 4.5-generation fighters globally. Pakistan's ambitious defense leap, Project AZM, has officially entered the test flight stage with its stealth UCAV prototype named Shamsher. Designed for long-range strike and reconnaissance, Shamsher boasts an impressive 1,800-kilometer combat range and carries precision munitions in two internal weapons bays to reduce radar signature. Equipped with satellite communication, autonomous navigation, and a low observable profile, this drone is a major milestone for Pakistan's aerospace capabilities. Shamsher is expected to support deep strike missions without exposing human pilots, marking a significant step in indigenous UAV warfare technology. Zulfiqar-II is a next-generation fractional orbital bombardment system FOBS under long-term development. Set for projected readiness by 2028, Zulfiqar-II aims to use low-Earth orbital paths to bypass traditional radar defenses and deliver precision payloads. While officially understudy by SPD and Suparco, leaked specs hint at maneuverable re-entry vehicles and satellite decoys. If successful, this system would place Pakistan in a rare league of space-capable deterrence nations with global reach. Pakistan is advancing swarm drone warfare with the Shahpar 4, an AI-powered loyal Wingman UCAV. Designed to fly alongside manned fighters like the JF-17, Shahpar 4s operate autonomously in a coordinated swarm. They can jam enemy radars, act as decoys, or deliver kinetic strikes using precision munitions. Real-time data sharing and obstacle avoidance make them highly survivable in contested airspace. This drone marks a significant leap in asymmetric air power and electronic warfare capabilities. The PL-15E long-range air-to-air missile is now fully operational on the JF-17 Thunder, completing its integration phase. This dual-pulse motor missile has a range of 300 kilometers and features ISA-guided targeting, designed to neutralize AWACS, bombers, and high-value aerial assets. With mid-course correction and endgame terminal lock, it provides the POF with a credible standoff deterrent. The JF-17's new teeth could significantly alter South Asia's aerial balance. Pakistan has introduced a new lightweight precision-guided bomb nicknamed the Smart Pebble. Weighing just 50 kilograms, this glide bomb is laser-guided with a circular error probable CEP of under 0.3 meters. Designed for high-efficiency strike missions, it offers low collateral damage and can be deployed from UCAVs and light combat aircraft. Comparable to the US SDBI in performance, Smart Pebble enhances PAF's ability to conduct surgical strikes in urban and mountainous terrain. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.